to deal with such a DE, now it is also a linear DE. It's also a linear DE. So what we do, we bring this side. So we shall have 2x dy by dx plus y is equal to x plus 3. So what do we do next? We divide it throughout by 2x. Why are we dividing throughout by 2x? That's what I'm going to tell you in a second. So this is dy by dx plus y out of 2x is equal to x plus 3 out of 2x. So we are dividing throughout by 2x such that it is in the form of a linear DE. A linear DE tells us that the form is it is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So from there, our p is actually equal to 1 out of 2x. So this gives us the ability to get the integrating factor of p dx. So the integrating factor in this case is going to be an exponential integral of 1 out of 2x dx, which means that the integrating factor is an exponential of a half ln of x. Is a half ln of x Now, if that integrating factor is that, we can come and say that the integrating factor is the same as e of ln of x to power half, which gives us x to power half. If that is true, we go ahead and multiply it throughout this. So we shall have x to power half. Multiplying it here, we shall have dy by dx plus x to power half times y over 2x then is equal to x to power half into x plus 3 out of 2x. Okay, so now to simplify this, we shall have, let us simplify, x to power half dy by dx then plus, now when we simplify this here that you can clearly see, we shall end up having y out of 2x to power half is equal to, when we simplify this, we shall have x plus 3 out of 2x to power half. Now this is linear. This is a linear exact. This is exact DE. This is exact DE. So exact, we can take it. It can be the derivative of y x to power half with respect to x. If you haven't watched my video about the exact DEs, I'm going to link it here. There are cheap things such that you can get to know where this comes from. Is equal to x plus 3 out of 2x squared, x power half. Now we can integrate on both sides. So integrating on both sides with respect to x, we shall have y x to power half is equal to a half integral x plus 3 out of, this can be square root of x dx. Now to deal with this one, we use change of variable. So we come and say let our u equal to root of x. So squaring both sides, we shall have u squared is equal to x. Differentiating, you'll have 2u du dx is equal to 1. So making dx the subject, you'll have it as 2u du, like that. Now we are going to substitute this back here. So y x to power half, which is equal to the half integral of x plus 3 out of square root of x dx. Substituting our variables, we shall have y is equal to x power half is equal to y x power half is a half times integral. This is going to be u square plus 3 out of this one is u times 2u du. So we can cross this with that. After crossing it with that, we can also cross these two with this. So we shall have y x to power half is equal to the integral of u to power 2 plus 3 du. So y x to power half is equal to u power 3 out of 3 plus 3u plus c. So y x to power half is equal to, we can pull out a u out of 3, so remain with u square plus 9 plus c. So this is y x to power half is equal to u was x to power half, then out of 3 into u square is x plus 9, then plus c. As simple as this, you have defeated the number like that. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification such that you can receive you can be notified when I upload a new video. So like, share and comment. Any issue you have, I'll be ready to answer. Thank you. We meet in the next